Hi dear students, today we will discuss about the ions. In these ions, what are the ions? How many types of ions? How is calculate the electrons present in the ions? Okay, so first we will discuss about the what are the ions. Okay, so first ions. So what are ions? Ions means the atoms or the molecules which have either positive charge or negative charges, they are called ions. Okay. So what are ions? The ions means the atoms or molecules. The atoms or molecules. The atoms or molecules which have the atoms are molecules which have positive or negative charge. Positive or negative charge. Positive or negative charge are called ions. Are called ions. Okay. Ions means the atoms or molecules which have a positive charge or negative charges. So they are called ions. Examples Na plus 1. Examples Na plus 1 or Mg plus 2, Mg plus 2 or O minus 2 or NO3 minus 1 or CO3 minus 2 etc. CO3 minus 2 etc. So total these are all example for the ions. Next to how many types of ions? What are they? How many types of ions or what are they? Ions are mainly two types. Ions are mainly two types. Okay. Ions, these are two types. These are two types. These are the two types. Okay. These are two types. They are number one cations. Number one cations and number two anions. Number two anions. Ions are mainly two types. They are cations and anions. First, we will take the cations. What are cations? How is produced the cations? And calculation of electrons present in cations. And what are anions and how is obtained the anions and calculation of anions. Okay, first we will take cations. What are cations? Cations means the ions which have the ions which have the ions which have positive charge. Positive charge. Positive charge are called cations. Are called cations. Okay, the ions which have positively charged, these are called cations. And example, cations example Na plus 1 and Al plus 3, Al plus 3 or Mg plus 2. Okay, these are all positive charge. Positive charged ions. So these are called cations. Okay. Na plus 1. Al plus 3, Mg plus 2. These are all positive charges. So these have cations. Next, how is produced the cations? How is produced the cations? So cations are produced by cations are produced by or obtained by cations are obtained by in the neutral atom when the neutral atom when the neutral atom loss of electrons. Okay, cations are produced by the in the neutral atom loss of electrons. So first, what is the neutral atom? Already you know last law. Neutral atom means the atoms are molecules which have no charge. So that means, for example, take the A. So A is a atom. We assume the A is a atom. So this A not have any positive or negative charge. So this is called neutral atom. This is called neutral atom. Neutral atom means the atom which cannot have positive or negative charges. So that is called neutral atom. Okay. So cations are obtained by when the neutral atom loss of electrons. So this is cations. Okay. Next, what are anions or how is produced the anions? So note this. Okay, what are anions and how is produced the anions? What are anions? How is produced the anions? Second one is what are anions? Anions. So anions means the ions which are obtained by the when the neutral atom gain of electrons. Cations are obtained by the neutral atom loss of electrons. They are called cations. But anions are obtained by anions. Anions are obtained by anions are obtained by anions are obtained by in the neutral atom in the neutral atom the neutral atom gain of electrons in the neutral atom gain of electrons gain of electrons. Okay, first cations obtained by the loss of electron in the neutral atom, but anions are obtained by the if the neutral atom gain of electrons. So these are anions. And example for anions are Cl minus 1 and O minus 2 and N minus 3 etc. So these are the some example for the anions. Next, how is calculated the electrons present in ions? Ions means cations and anions. Okay. So calculation of electrons calculation of electrons in ions calculation of electrons in ions are cations or anions cations and anions, cations and anions. Okay, calculation of electrons in ions. Ions means cations and anions. There are two types. How is the calculate the electrons present in the ions? One principle is there. That principle is total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. Total number of electrons in ions. In ions, that is equal atomic number. Atomic number is indicated by capital Z. So atomic number minus charge of ion. Atomic number minus charge on the ion. Charge on the ion. So this is the principle for the calculation of electrons present in ions. So what is the principle? The total number of electrons in ions, that is equal atomic number minus charge on the ion. Ion means cation or anion. Okay. So this is principle for the calculation of the electrons present in ions. Okay. So note this principle. First principle is electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons in ions is equal Z minus charge. Z minus charge. So this is the principle for the calculation of electrons in ions. First question calculation of electrons in following ions. Okay, calculation of electrons in following ions. A, Na plus 1, next B, O minus 2, C, Al plus 3. Okay, please calculate the total number of electrons present in Na plus 1, O minus 2 and Al plus 3. First, we take the A, Na plus 1. Na plus 1. So calculation of electrons present in Na plus 1. Our principle already you know, total number of electrons in ions is equal atomic number minus charge. So ion means in this case Na plus. So total number of electrons in Na plus 1. In Na plus 1, that is equal atomic number of sodium. So in this case we take the sodium. Atomic number means in this case sodium. So atomic number of sodium, that is equal 11 minus. So charge of sodium plus 1, that is equal plus 1. So totally 11 minus into plus minus. So 11 minus 1. So that is equal 10. Okay. So total number of electrons present in the Na plus 1, that is equal 10. And next, you take the B. Na plus 1 completed. Next to O minus 2. Total number of electrons present in the O minus 2. So total number of electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons in O minus 2. O minus 2, that is equal atomic number of oxygen, our principle, according to our principle, atomic number minus charge. Atomic number of oxygen 8 minus charge of oxygen minus 2. Okay, minus 2 charge. So minus into minus 2, that is equal 8 minus into minus plus. So plus 2. So that is equal 10. Okay, total number of electrons present in O minus 2, that is equal 10. So this is the total number of electrons in present in the oxygen O minus 2. Next we take C. Total number of electrons present in Al plus 3. Total number of electrons present in Al plus 3. So total number of electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons in Al plus 3, in Al plus 3, that is equal atomic number of aluminum is 13 minus charge of aluminum plus 3. Okay, total 13 plus into minus, minus 13 minus 3, total that is equal 10 electrons are there. So like this. So these are the calculation of electrons in ions. Ions means cations and anions. These are the atoms only. Na atom, oxygen O atom, Al aluminum atom. So in this ions, Na plus 1, Al plus are the cations and O minus 2 anions, because they have positive charge but oxygen have negative charge. So these are the total number of electrons present in the cations or ions in atoms only. Next, how is calculated the total number of electrons in molecular ions? Molecular ions. So first take this. So calculation of electrons, calculation of electrons in molecular ions. Molecular ions are two types, cations and anions. Cations and anions. Okay, how is calculated the total number of electrons present in the molecular ions? Atoms have negative or positive charge, they are called cations or ions, but they are the atoms. But molecules like CO3 minus 2, that is molecular ion. NO3 minus 1, that is molecular ion. CH3COO minus, that is molecular ions. MnO4 minus, so that is also molecular ions. So like that, they are the molecular ions. So one principle same, just like a calculation of electron present in the ions in atoms. Same, how is calculated the electrons in molecular ions? One principle is there. So that is total number of electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons in molecule or molecular ions is equal sum of atomic numbers or atomic number of atoms, sum of atomic number of all atoms in molecules, sum of atomic number of all atoms in molecular ions, ion in molecular ion minus charge on ion, so this is principle. Okay, total number of electrons present in molecular ions is equal sum of atomic number of all atoms in molecular ion minus charge on the ions. So this is principle for the calculation of total number of electrons present in the molecular ions. For example, calculation of electrons in CO3 minus 2. So this is molecular ion. Calculation of electrons present in CO3 minus 2 ion. So this is our question. So answer is total number of electrons in CO3 minus 2, that is equal, our principle is sum of atomic number of all atoms in the ions. So this is molecular ion. So in this molecular ion, how many atoms are there? Total 2 atoms are there. One is the carbon, another one is the oxygen. Total 2 atoms. One is carbon, another one is the oxygen. So principle is sum of atomic number of all atoms in a molecular ions. Sum of atomic numbers, total atomic number of carbon. How many carbons are there? Only one carbon into 1 plus. Next to atomic number of oxygen. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens into 3 minus charge on the ion minus 2. So CO3 minus 2 is equal atomic number of carbon. Atomic number is indicated by Z. So first we take carbon. Atomic number of carbon into how many carbons are there? Only one carbon plus atomic number of oxygen. Into how many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens into 3. Next minus charge on the ion. Charge minus 2 charge minus 2. So that is equal atomic number of carbon is 6 into 1 plus atomic number of oxygen is 8 into 3 minus into minus plus 2. Totally 6 plus 8 3 ja 24 plus 2. Total 6 plus 24 30 plus 2 32 electrons are there. So this is the answer for the total number of electrons present in the carbonate ion. CO3 minus 2 means carbonate ion. So this is the calculation of electrons present in the molecular ions. Okay, so this is calculation of electrons present in carbonate ion. So total number of electrons present in CO3 minus 2 is 32. And next we take the another example. Another example is Next, another example, calculate number of electrons present in or in NO3 minus 1. NO3 minus 1. So total number of answer is total number of electrons in NO3 minus 1, that is equal sum of atomic number of all atoms in the molecular ion. Total how many atoms are there? One nitrogen and three oxygens are there. So first take the atomic number of nitrogen, Zn. How many nitrogen atoms are there? Only one. So into 1 plus next atomic number of oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen into how many oxygens are there? Only 3 oxygens. So into 3 minus and charge of the ion. Charge is minus 1. So that is equal atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 7 into 1 plus atomic number of oxygen is 8. 8 into 3 minus into minus plus. So plus 1. So that is equal 7 plus 24. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 1. So that is equal 7 plus 24, 31. 31 plus 1, 32. So these are the total number of electrons present in the NO3 minus 1. So this is about the ions and how is calculated the total number of electrons present in the ions. Okay, thank you student.